Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discussing about keys in React. Key is a attribute which are using in React.js. It's essential for efficient rendering. Keys are used in efficient rendering in React.js. Okay, it's a special attribute for the list element. Keys is a special attribute for the list elements. It's improved the UI update efficiency. Keys helps to improve the UI updates and it's make efficient. And it is designed by my colleague Sonam Singh. So let's get started ahead. Keys points about React.js. Keys is also a very important point. A key is a very special attribute which are using in the React. So let's start. It's a unique identifier distinguishes elements in list. Means it's a unique identifier which helps to separate the elements from other elements. It's every element get a unique key. It also helps to boost the performance and optimize the rendering process. List rendering used with map function means in terms map we uses the key and their value. So in list rendering we use with map function using key. Unique identifiers in React. These are the unique identifiers in React which are the feature of key. It's a distinct means each element has a unique key. Recognizable. React distinguishes between the element means React helps to distinguish and separate which element we have to go with that. So keys help to make the decision. Efficient. Key makes the things efficient and it's improved the rendering performance. Performance optimization with keys. Keys helps to optimize the performance. So we are going to discuss about that. Element matching. React matches the element between renders means which element we have to render. It's help to identify by keys. Change directions. Identifies the modification in list efficiency. And minimal re-rendering and update only necessary component means very less amount of process we have to done by using the React. Just like we just have to render the only one block of the image. So it helps to make these things optimum and make it fast. And it also helps to minimal re-rendering means minimal updates required to re-render the whole web page, because it updates only the necessary component. Where to use keys in React? Where we have to use keys in React? So let's start. Array mapping. Use keys when re-rendering array with mapping. Okay. Dynamic list. Essential for the list that change over time. Means the lists are going to be changed after some time. Just like there is a 4 elements in the one list. Now it becomes 10 elements in one list. So this helps to make essential for the list that change over time. Means it is very essential to use keys to make separate the whole element. Component collections. Apply keys to repeat component instances. Importance of unique keys. Prevent the misidentification. Unique keys avoid the component confusion. Because when we use one component, we have to make visible in this web page to different components. So we use the keys so that we can re-render or update or show the component by using unique key. Unique key help to make the help to identify the there is a list of components. So how we have to identify which element we required here. So we using keys. Maintain states. Preserve components state across re-render. It helps to preserve the component state when we re-render the pages. Avoid bugs and proper key prevents the UI glitches. Means it basically avoid the bugs. Just like when we get an error in keys. Just we searching another component, we get other component. By using keys, we focus on only one component. No nothing with other. So it helps to make glitches free website. Practical examples of React keys: Apple has a 0 index, banana has a 1 index, and cherry has a 2 index. So basically Apple identifies with 0 and banana identifies with 1. So whenever we call banana, then we just press the key 1 or search a key by 1. So it helps to make a decision in optimal way. Keys text for a React. Unique values. Use stable unique identification as keys. We just use studied hash map. There is a value and there is a key. So we use the key to find the value. In this way, we also use the key just same as here. Unique value means whenever we search for the 1, then we can go with only apple. Sorry, 0. Then we can go with apple. And whenever we search 1, then we go with banana. So this way it helps us. Avoid index. Don't uses the index for dynamic list. Because it also helps to save our time and make a website error free. So this is the one feature. And list rendering. Key is necessary only for the list elements. Means keys are very necessary, because whenever we search elements, so we need to know the which key represent the which element. So this is the whole content about keys, which is a very important in React.js. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment.